ตอนนี้เราอยู่ที่โรงเรียนนานาชาติอันดับท็อป 5 ของประเทศไทยและเป็นหนึ่งในโรงเรียนที่ดีที่สุดในภูมิภาคเอเชียค่ะในส่วนของโรงเรียนนานาชาติ Shrewsbury กรุงเทพ Riverside Campus ได้เปิดมานานเกือบ 20 ปีแล้วนะคะตอนนี้ได้รีโนเวทในส่วนตึกของเด็กเล็ก Early Years เสร็จอีกแล้วด้วยค่ะ
Welcome everybody and thank you for being with us here at Shrewsbury Riverside today on Loy Krathong Day, hence why we're dressed like this. So happy Loy Krathong. My name is Philip Stewart, I'm the head of junior here at Shrewsbury Riverside. Come and take a look inside our wonderful school.
How is the PPEP renovation is going?
It's really well, it's been so exciting in the last few years. We're out here today in the EY garden that was renovated about 2 years ago now. The children absolutely love being out here. It really allows us to expand the classroom outside, so the children spend lots of time both inside and outside. Over last summer, we spent a lot of money and time and investment in making our indoor facilities modern, relevant to our curriculum now. And so really here at Riverside, we're a little oasis in the middle of a big city on the banks of the Chao Phraya. Our pedagogy is really associated with nature, both in and outside the school. So you'll see that as you walk around our campus today. We're now in our EY2 garden. There's so many important aspects to play-based learning and having time both in the classroom with some formal teaching and learning, but time outside in nature, as we've already talked about, but also time where their own sense of learning out here as well. It also gives children an opportunity to play with a wide variety of sensory equipment and experience the outdoors here as well. You can see behind here is our new physical development area, a range of soft play equipment that can be used by both class teachers and PE teachers as well. On different floors within our building, we have brand new kitchens, we have brand new music rooms and free flow areas for our oldest children in here, our year 1 and 2 children too. So many new developments right throughout the pre-prep building.
What is the purpose of one school, two campus?
It's simple for me. It's about being one big family. We have a number of Shrewsburys across Asia and of course our founding school in the UK. But here in Bangkok, where we've got 2 campuses, it's about pooling that expertise. It's about driving learning very much in terms of curriculum, in terms of philosophy and vision. Our 2 campuses are the same, working together in different parts of the city, therefore giving parents a great choice.
Thank you very much that you take us tour today.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you for coming today, and we hope to see many of you here at Shrewsbury Riverside in the coming weeks, months and years.
เห็นบรรยากาศการเรียนของเด็กรวมถึงหลักสูตรสำหรับเด็กอนุบาลที่โรงเรียน Shrewsbury ปูไว้ให้เด็กๆแล้วตั้งแต่ยังเล็กนะคะเพื่อรากฐานที่แข็งแกร่งในสภาวะแวดล้อมที่ดีการเรียนการสอนที่มีคุณภาพและสมบูรณ์แบบที่จะมาช่วยสร้างแรงบันดาลใจให้กับเด็กๆได้เรียนรู้อย่างมีความสุขทันโลกอนาคตค่ะและในวันนี้เราก็ได้พาชมโรงเรียนนานาชาติ Shrewsbury กันไปแล้วนะคะโรงเรียนนานาชาติ Shrewsbury น่าจะเป็นตัวเลือกที่ดีที่สุดสำหรับเด็กๆค่ะ